In this mode, we can use the spectrum analyzer and we can demodulate satellite DVB-S and DVB-S2 signals as well. Once we have tuned a specific transponder, we can measure its power level, MER, pre- and post-BR, constellation and symbol rate. Even though the analyzer is showing us the band up to 2700 MHz, it can only demodulate signals in the frequency range from 950 to 2150 MHz. This mode works in an equivalent way to the spectrum analyzer mode, with just two additional new options that we will find in the Preferences menu. Satellite tuning frequency demodulation. If we tune a satellite transponder by frequency, we must input in this area its bandwidth and inform whether we want the meter to detect the transponder symbol rate and modulation standard, DVB-S or DVB-S2, automatically, or we prefer to input these parameters manually. LNB. Here we choose the voltage and 22 kHz tone feeding the LNB in order to control it. Finally, it is important to note that if we get into the satellite mode from the fiber section, everything we explained so far is still valid. We just need to input the signal through the meter's fiber optic connector.